Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot sign out of Apple ID due to restrictions. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to sign out from your Apple ID, you see a pop message or a description under your sign out that sign out is not available due to restrictions. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first, you just have to go back from here and you have to go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending software update for your iPhone or iPad. If you find, try to update your software, then go back, go for screen time settings here, and here you just have to go for the option of turn off app and website activity, enter your screen time passcode, and then turn it off. Or you can also try to disable your restrictions. So tap on content and privacy restrictions, disable this, and once you have disabled, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. Or here you can see that our issue has been fixed. Now you can easily sign out from your Apple ID, from your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.